my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super simple glitter eyeshadow makeup look. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. You guys, I am super excited to be filming today. Like, I feel like it's definitely been a minute for me. I have been having makeup fails, low-key sis. So look, I'm here and hopefully this one is not a fail. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with this BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So the first shade I'm taking is this shade right here, which is called Escape. And I'm pretty much just taking this color and using it as a transition. And now that I have it where I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it up and out. So the next shade I'm going into is this one right here. And this one is called Hipster. And it's like this brown color, but it has like a kind of like a warm reddish undertone to it. Y'all, I have been trying to try like a few different techniques when it comes to eyeshadow. So yeah. I've been trying to not do as much cut creases as I normally do because I live for a cut crease, you guys. I've been trying to do something a little bit more beginner friendly and things that you guys, I know you guys would like to see or that you guys can like recreate, if that makes sense. So I'm trying something different. I love me a cut crease, and I find that most of you guys also like when I do more natural makeup looks. So I'm going to try to do that too, sis. But yeah, I like it all. I love color. I love neutral. I love nothing. Like, I love it all. Anything makeup, I'm in it. And then now that I have that color where I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with the first shade that we laid down. Now switching up my brushes, I am going to be taking this Wet n Wild brush. I used this in one of my previous videos, you guys, and I love this brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and go right in with the green. We're not playing, sis. It's no need to play. This one is in the shade, it's called Neon. So we're not about to play, we're going all in. As a matter of fact, I think I want to try to take this shade using my finger first. I never use my fingers when doing eyeshadow, you guys. I always use brushes. But we're going to try this. We're going to try something different. And basically, I'm just focusing this green shade all over my lid. Maybe my fingers are just big, like I just got some fat ass sausages or something, but it's not supposed to be perfect anyway. But I am going to go ahead and switch from my fingers to the brush. Although using my fingers was really nice, I just feel like some areas I weren't really able to get into, like the inner corner and also like this area up in here. So we're going to go ahead and switch to a brush. I was actually inspired to do this super easy green eyeshadow look because of my nail polish. I got green nails, so I was like, you know what, let's do some green eyeshadow. But y'all, these nails are so old, like it's time for them to come off, but we're just gonna roll with it, sis. So taking that Wet n Wild brush, I am going to go ahead and use this brush to get into the areas that my huge little fingers wouldn't allow me to. And I'm also using the brush to get in this area right here as well. And I do like to take my eyeshadows a little higher, you guys, because I do have very small eyelids, and I always like my eyes to look a little bit more bigger than what they are and more open. And I just like this look a lot more better personally on me. This look was so fun, you guys, and I can't believe I just used like 3 eyeshadows. But to step it up a notch, because y'all know sometimes I can be a little extra, sis, I have this glitter right here. This is by J Cat. and it's super affordable. You can find this on Ulta's website and also at your local beauty supply store. And this one doesn't have a shade, it's just the green one pretty much. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of this, and I'm going to put it right where we put that green eyeshadow. And then I'm just taking a little bit of the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to right on top of this eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing liner, and I'm just using my Jordana Cat eyeliner. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using these babies right here. These are the AliExpress E11 lashes. And now the sun decides that it wants to come out. So if y'all see like this little glare somewhere on me, where is it? On my shoulder? Right here. It's from the sun going in and out. And y'all, for foundation, I am just using my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. It's been a minute since I've used this baby. Like, I miss it so much. But I have just been using my Fenty Beauty foundation for the summer along with my Estee Lauder. But the Fenty has really been holding me down for the summer months. Especially with my skin being really oily. It has really held me down. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I literally am down to the very minimum of this, y'all. Like, it's literally nothing else in here. But I'm using it up. I am so proud of myself, you guys, because I've never used all of a product up. Especially like a lip gloss or a concealer, even foundation. Recently I have almost used up all of my Fenty as well as my Estee Lauder, and of course I already have my backups, but I have just used up all of my little foundations that I have. And I've also have a backup to this one as well, you guys, because this is a really nice concealer. And then for powder, I'm using this black opal powder, and this one is in the shade Neutral Light. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set my face, of course, using my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder. And because I can't find my normal contour for my nose, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. one. And it's right here in front of me. So look, we're going to be using what we got, sis. Then I just like to go over my nose contour with my beauty blender, just to make sure everything is nice and blended, sis. So moving on, before we move on to the rest of the face, I'm going to go ahead and do my waterline. So I am going to be taking this neon green liner, you guys. I love these eyeliners, so I had to pick up the green one, sis. I think I have all the colors that they have except maybe like one. So this is the LA Girl Shockwave liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline. So this green one, like no exception. Like, it is freaking fire. This is super cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes and my top lashes. So moving on to bronzer, I'm gonna be taking this Morphe Glamour Bronze. You guys, I have not used this bronzer in a minute. So I was like, you know what? Let's bring out some of my old favorite products that I haven't used in a while. And it is still gorgeous, you guys. Beautiful. And then moving on to blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blush palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this peachy shade. And then for a little bit of highlighter, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm gonna put a little bit down the bridge of my nose too. Then moving on to my favorite part, which is the lips. I am just going to use this ColourPop lip liner in BFF4. And I am going to fill in my lips a little bit more than usual with this liner. And then I'm going to use this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lippy. And this one's in the I Love Sahari collaboration. And it's in the shade 951. And this is the look, sis. So for gloss, I'm going to be using this Black Radiance Brilliant Effects Lip Gloss. And these also don't have shades or like names, they have just numbers. And this one's in the number 3254. And these are like my favorite lip glosses, like when I'm going out. They remind me so much of the MAC Dazzle Glass and lip glasses, but they're super affordable, sis. Like hella affordable. I mean, I don't know about you, sis, but it's the lips for me. Like, I kind of overdraw my lips a little bit, and I have been doing that lately, and I really like it. It really gives me that and that pout. I already have like full lips anyway, but I really do like the darker liner look. Like, sis, I mean, it's the lips. This is gorgeous. Super cute look. I feel like this look is perfect if you are wanting to do some glitter, but you are a beginner. 3 eyeshadows, sis. I was about to say 6. 3 eyeshadows, sis. You don't have to do too much. Throw on you some big dramatic lashes, a wing liner, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. Remember to be blessed, follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.